Microwave mug dhokla is the quickest snack you will ever try. No steaming, no waiting. Just mix, microwave and enjoy in minutes. In a bowl, whisk together yogurt, ginger, green chili, turmeric, salt, semolina, lemon juice, gram flour and water. Mix well to get a smooth, lump-free batter. Add half a teaspoon of fruit salt. Stir gently. Grease a cup with oil and immediately pour the batter into the cup. Microwave for 2 to 3 minutes and your soft spongy dhokla is ready. For the sizzling tadka, heat oil, add mustard seeds, green chilies, curry leaves, water and sugar. Pour this over the dhokla and sprinkle with grated coconut. Microwave mug dhokla, light, fluffy and ready before you know it.